Hi, my name is Aaron Engelman from Two Teachers Tax Service here in Lyman, South Carolina. Today, we're going to talk about self-employment tax. Self-employed individuals must pay self-employment tax. SE tax pays for Social Security and Medicare. Employees have these taxes withheld. Self-employed individuals pay the full amount themselves. SE tax covers Social Security, retirement, disability, and survivor benefits, as well as Medicare. When you are self-employed, you pay all of the self-employed tax, where if you are an employee, you only pay 50%. And so this chart here shows the difference. So let's look at it. The payer for FICA, and that's that self-employment tax, is 50% the employer and 50% the employee. If you are self-employed, you pay 100% of the tax. The tax rate as an employee is 7.65% for you and 7.65% for your employer. However, if you're self-employed, you pay all of it, so 15.30%. If you're employed, the withholding is automatic, and you've probably seen this come out of your checks. If you are self-employed, you make quarterly estimated payments. So who must pay SE tax? It's required if your self-employment earnings are $400 or more. This applies to freelancers, independent contractors, sole proprietors, partners, and multi-member LLC members. So here's how you calculate the SE tax. You calculate your net earnings using Schedule C. Then you multiply your net earnings by 92.35%, and then multiply that result by 15.30%. So in this example, we have Schedule C net earnings of $50,000. You multiply that by 92.35%, which gives you 50,000 times 92.35% is $46,175. Then you multiply that by 15.30%, which gives you $7,000.65, which is the SE tax owed. Here are the tax rates and their thresholds for 2025. That 15.30% self-employed tax rate is comprised of 12.40% Social Security on your first $176,100 of income and 2.9% Medicare. There is an additional 0.9% Medicare tax if you make over $200,000 as a single filer or $250,000 for those who are married filing jointly. You can avoid penalties by paying 90% of your current year tax or 100% of your prior year tax. Be sure to maximize your deductions to lower your self-employment tax, and consult a tax professional for complex income situations. Self-employed tax covers Social Security and Medicare payments for self-employed individuals. Self-employed tax is generally paid as estimated tax payments due quarterly. When your situation gets complex or if you have questions, contact us at Two Teachers Tax Service. Contact us at 269-449-8277 or by email at twoteacherstax@gmail.com. Thank you.